All right, guys, it's Dr. Gregg here at Align Wellness Center, and today I wanted to do was share with you something that's a bit different. You know, we've never done this before, but today we had something come. I think it might be something pretty cool. Let's not read this because that might give you a hint, but what we're gonna look to do is an unboxing of something really special here that I think you guys are gonna like and that I'm pretty excited about. So I'm gonna ask for some help. Does anyone have scissors, please? The scissors. Thank you, team. So we're gonna wind up opening up the box. If you guys have an idea of what you think this might be, go ahead and write down in the comments. I wanna see who can guess it, and maybe they'll win a prize. So I've never done this before, and if you think I'm doing this wrong, give me some tips, give me some feedback, give me some love, and maybe we'll do this again when we get something else that I think is cool and I wanna share with you. And as you can see, I'm not very good at this because, well, I've never done it before. And we're not gonna look at the invoice because it might tell us what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And oh yes, okay, sweet. So what is this? This is a notebook. I know, you're saying to yourself, why am I doing an opening of a notebook? Well, these are notebooks that I've been using for the last 7 years to help document and record the processes that I go through on a daily basis to intend for the day what I want to have happen. And it's part of the reason why we've been able to be as successful as we have been. In here, I always write on the first page what I envision my life to be like in the next 5 years. And then throughout, I take the action steps that I need to on the daily basis to make sure that every step of the way I get closer to where I want to be in 5 years. If you've ever done journaling like this, feel free to write down below how you have and what you've had. If you want to learn more about this, go ahead and write below and I'll look to try and share with you some of the other tools that I've used to help in journaling to help make sure that the dreams that I've wanted actually come true. If you'd like this unboxing, is that what we call it? Then go ahead and write below too, and maybe I'll do some of the other cool things we have in the office or that come to our office so we can share with you how we've been successful and enjoyed the practice of my dreams.